fast subscribe for.
Hey, come on, man. He gonna electrocute your nipples.
Life with Jeezy, man.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all tune into the channel, man.
Yeah, I see
Be like
it.
me, support him, man.
Yeah.
Get it.
What it do, Jeezy gang? It's your boy Joe G's, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back. And yes, I am at work, but we gonna get this knocked out. As y'all see from the title of the video, yes, I did go get me a new GoPro, and yes, we about to unbox it together. It was an open box, so I don't have the actual shell to the box, but I do have the case. Yesterday I did open it up, charge it up, and did update it. So the box isn't, you know, it's not set up like how it was when it was brand new, but it's still set up well. The stuff, all the stuff is still in there. Okay. So let me show y'all what all we got. It is the GoPro Hero 11 Black, the Creators Edition. So I did get a lot of the good stuff to come with it. I bought it on the open box special from Best Buy, so I saved like $200 to I think it was like $250 to like $270 that I saved on buying it open box. Damn! I mean, all it was the box was open and somebody probably set it up and then that was it. And I got it for $250 plus off. I'll take that for the win.
Let's go ahead. Yes, y'all. Like I said, I am at work, so I do got my little glasses on, trying to look like a smart guy.
Boy, if you don't...
They are blue light glasses. My eyes aren't bad. They blue light glasses, so the computer don't make my eyes bad, because yes, I do work and I do got to be on the computer. But let's get into seeing what's inside of this box. All right, y'all. So this is the carrying case that it comes with. When you open this up, so I'm doing everything one-handed right now. But when you open this right here up, it opens up yesterday when I opened it. But I just had it organized for you guys.
Move this man!
I just had it organized, but when I lifted it up and show you everything moved. But yesterday when I originally opened up, it did have stuff that was here that had all of these pieces actually in it and had them organized. I took them out because at first I wasn't going to do the unboxing video, but then I changed my mind. I was like, hey, I'm gonna just do it when I get to work tomorrow. I'm gonna just get everything charged up so we can power everything going and we can show y'all what that actual camera looks like. But back into it with the box, yes, it did come with 2 of the USB-C cords. I took one out and gave one to my niece because as y'all seen in the last video, I gave her my old GoPro 7. Get down in the comment section and let me know and let me know if y'all ready for this new content that's about to come with this new GoPro. And with that being said, we about to actually give Mari the other one. We're gonna give her the whole thing.
Oh, don't put my
The
face
whole
on camera.
thing. We gonna give her the. I gave her everything that I had with it. All of the accessories. I gave her a battery pack. I couldn't find those extra batteries, so I wasn't able to give her the batteries to go with the battery pack, but I told her I'd get her some more batteries. So I'm gonna get her 2 more batteries, and then I think I'm gonna go ahead and also order her a bigger SD card, because I gave her the SD card out of my old phone and it was only 32 gigs. So I think I'm gonna look for either a 64 or a 128 for, or if I can find a gig, I'm gonna order a gig and keep it for myself, and then just give her the 128 that I was using that I put inside of the new GoPro. I just take that one out and put the gig in and clean out the 128 and give it to her. But back into the box. So like I said, it did come with 2 of the USB-C cords to charge. It does come with owner manuals and instructions and all that kind of stuff. It came with some stickers. It also on here, it also tell you how to put the media mod together. But then when you get down into this part, like I said, it was a lot more organized yesterday when I originally opened it, but I did take everything out and start messing with it, and I did throw the little cardboard organization thing. I did throw that away. I didn't want to keep that, so I threw it away. So let's first start off, like I said, we're gonna start off with the media mod. It does come with the media mod. I have heard that the microphone on the media mod isn't the greatest. From the videos that I watch, there isn't nothing where you can have both the front mic and the back mic going at the same time. So with it being like that, it Like, so if you got the front mic going, but you got the camera face away from you, it's hard to hear, and vice versa. But I do have it on there. I already set my GoPro up, and I set it up to where it won't use the media mod mic. It'll just use the mics from the actual mics from the camera. And it did come with the wind muff to go with the media mod. Put that back right there to keep all that organized. It also came with the Volta. I was looking these up. These things are actually $100+ for these. Damn! When you buy the Creators Edition, it comes with this in it and with the media mod. I think the media mods are like $79. These things I think were like $129 or $112. I'm gonna try to put all of the links to the items inside of the description, and then I'm also put links to actually getting the content creators version of the GoPro and put that in there too. But this is the Volta. This thing is actually really dope. It's a tripod. Man, it's dope. As y'all know, y'all see the buttons on there. I'm trying, like I said, I'm doing everything with one hand right now. Didn't know it had this screw thing on the bottom of it. As you see, it is a tripod. It does have this extra mount right here, so if you ride bikes or whatever, even if you probably want to mount it on your or something, mount it somewhere, you can mount it here. You'll just get, you know, something like this. It ain't this one specifically, but you'll get something like that mounted on. One of my favorite things about this Volta, it actually has buttons. So I already adjusted this so where when I'm holding the camera and it's facing away from me, I have the buttons. I can press the buttons. It's not hard for me to press them. So you got your power button, you got your mode or your power mode button here at the bottom. You got your record button, Bluetooth, and then your battery. This shows your battery life. Let's see, get it to come on, bam. Y'all see, I done charged that. I charged pretty much everything up. I didn't charge this up fully yesterday. Also, it has the USB-C right here. So when you plug this up into the camera, you can charge this and it'll also charge the camera at the same time as well. This thing is actually really dope. And it also comes with a drawstring lanyard. If y'all go back in my videos, y'all see I like to do a lot of action stuff. So like if I'm at Kings Island like I did with the old one, I won't have to hold it with two hands. When we on the roller coaster, I can just hold it with one and then just tighten up the drawstring and be good. Won't have to worry about it going flinging and all of that and whatnot. Okay, so yesterday I did also grab two more of the Enduro. I believe that's how you say it properly. The Enduro batteries, they say that these actually last a lot longer. They last like 2 times more than the regular GoPro battery, the black and blue one. So if you get a GoPro, I haven't tested it. I haven't tested it out yet, but if you have a GoPro, from what I hear, I suggest that you get these because the other battery, the black and blue ones, those things be gone in about 45 minutes to an hour. And if this is twice the strength, these are gonna be legit. Again, like I said, I do have all of these charged up. I have to buy another charger pack because my other one, it doesn't work. So the one from the 7 with the old batteries, it don't work with these batteries. So I'm gonna get me a new one next week. I believe that's when it comes. So I have that on the way. I have a microphone on the way as well. The microphone should be here, I think today. The new mic, because like I said, I gave my niece everything. She has the mic, all of that. So when the new one comes, I'm gonna hook the new one up. That's probably going to be another video. I'm gonna show you guys my setup, how I have it set up, how I have the settings for me to record. I have a couple different settings set up. I think I have one set up for night recording. I think I already have one set up for like my regular recording. And there's one more that I set up. And then another good thing, especially with the GoPro, since they don't have like great like night filming, like, you know, nighttime quality, the Creators Edition does come with a light. It does have the thing on it. I just popped it off because I did want to show you guys how bright it actually gets. Like this thing is like actually like really dope. That, I believe this, you just charge this up. It has the port right here. You just hit this button right over here, or you move the switch and then the door opens up. Bam, exposes your charger. Y'all, I can't wait to start using this thing.
and then to the grand finale, to the bacon, to the pancakes, to the meat of the meal. Let's get to it. We gonna get to the actual GoPro Hero 11. This thing, so far, it is pretty dope. As y'all probably know, I've recorded 100 plus of the videos that you guys see on my channel. 100 plus of them came from a GoPro, my GoPro 7. Damn! 100 plus of those videos came off of that. This one has way better video quality. This one, it comes with the, I think it's like 5.2K. Like I'm more than likely not going to be recording in the 5K.
You suck.
Probably the max resolution I'm probably going to record in with this is going to be the 4K, probably until I upgrade my MacBook. I might record something in the 5K just to test it out to see how my MacBook handle it. My MacBook is a 2019, so the 5K wasn't around yet, so I don't know how that's going to take with that. But back to this beast right here. If you have one, this thing right here, they say this is the drain for the mic so it doesn't get waterlogged or water damage. Do not try to take that off. It will break the camera. Do not take that off.
Okay.
It will mess up your camera. So leave it there.
Okay.
But you have your mode and your power button right here. Let's get this thing cranked on. Let's see what it looks like. Let's press and hold. I already turned the beeping sound off because I hate that loud beeping sound. And as y'all see, it is already set up. Y'all can see me recording y'all, recording me, recording y'all, but y'all recording me. And this is dope because as y'all can see, let me get it a little closer. It comes on, it tells you everything, what it's on, the 4K, the auto. Let me turn it around because it shouldn't be on this. When I turn mine on, I want it to turn on. And oh, that's why it's on the time warp. So, you know, if you scroll, you change the modes, but also if you press the button, it changes the modes as well. The only mode that I ever use is the video mode. Of course, if I'm taking a picture, it's going to be from my actual camera. I was looking at it, and then, you know, here's, like I was saying, I have a lot of my videos set up. I have this one here, this one, and then activity, I think, are the only three that I actually set up. And as you see, you have the 5.3K, but I put mine in a 4K 24 frames per second with the linear view. But as y'all can see, look how clear that looks, man. Y'all see how clear that looks? Look at that. And that's coming from a camera looking at the camera. Oh, we turned it back to the time warp. Turn it back to the video so we can see up. Yes, sir. Yeah, look at that boy right there. He look good.
Bullshit.
But y'all, like I said, this thing is like amazing. Also, you have like the foldable mounts right here. And man, dude, and it's so dope, man. Like I said, I love GoPros, and this one so far it's a lot heavier in my opinion. I think it's a little heavier than the other one, the 7 that I had. And I say that only because it does have this front display screen, and this right here is like so that this is probably one of the main reasons why I got this is because of the front display. Because, you know, with my old GoPro, it didn't have the front display. It had the screen, but all it just said was GoPro 7 or whatever.
You suck.
But this actually lets me record and actually see what I'm recording while I have the camera actually facing me. That is so important to me, at least. Some people don't like to look at the camera and make sure that they're recording what they need to be recording. But me, I like to make sure that I'm getting what I need to get, because when I get what I need to get, my videos come out like fire. Yeah, y'all, but this right here, this door right here, you'll pull this down and then pull it up. And when you do that, that exposes that door, that falls off because it is a latch right here and it just goes on. That's what it's supposed to do. But here's your battery. This is my memory card. I put my memory card in there already. And then right here is where you will actually charge it. There's your USB-C for your charging. And again, you have your actual record button up here. This is a mic here. And then you also have the mics here. And then
think that was the only two. Yeah, so those are the only two internal mics that this thing actually have. Like I said, y'all, I am currently at work, so this is gonna be a quick video. I just wanted to get this done, get this out. Y'all, man, I cannot wait to start recording with this thing, man. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put it back together like how I got it, and I'm gonna at least let y'all see that, and then we're gonna eventually get another video shot where I'm gonna actually go into detail how I have it set up and how I have it for me to record, and then I'll show y'all some footage from off of there. But let me go ahead and get it put together so I can show y'all how I had it set up for right now.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, so this is officially how I'm gonna have it set up. Like I said, once the mic come, the mic will be on top. Then I'm gonna have my light right here, and of course I'm gonna hook my light up. I'm gonna take the plug, I think it's on the bottom now. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna plug it up in here so it can charge. I mean, you only need it to plug up so it can charge. I don't need to plug it, but you do have the mic jack right there. So as y'all see, that's how we gonna kill the game right here. This how we going up all 2K23 and beyond. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and join the Jeezy gang, man, because it's going up like I keep telling y'all, man. And the only way y'all ain't gonna go up with us is if you jump off the plane. If you jump off the plane, I ain't got no parachutes for you. You're gonna have to find your own safe way down to the ground, because we going up, and that's what we gonna stay at. We gonna stay up in the sky, we gonna stay on the top, and that's where we going. We came from the bottom, but you don't know it because we keep our shit clean, baby. We stay clean, but we from the bottom, man. You know? But with all that being said, man, thank y'all for joining me on this video. Get down in the comment section and let me know if y'all ready to see these new videos coming with the GoPro. Even get down in the comment section and let me know if you got a GoPro. Let me know what your favorite vlogging camera is. Let me know how your setup is. Just get down in the comment section and say what up if you want to. That being said, you don't want to do that, I got one word for you, but 2 fingers. Peace.
Tell them niggas I ain't playing games. Tell them bitches I ain't playing games. Tell the judge I ain't saying names. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell my real niggas maintain. Tell the judge I ain't saying names.